What is up, my Back to Life family? I am here back in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Made it out of India and it's time to chop this hair off. I've been growing it out for 2 years. I'm in the barbershop on Shallowford Road. It's called In the Cut. This is the wall art right here, y'all. This is absolutely freaking insane. Check that out, man. You got the little bear right there. All the barbers in here. Come on, man. Everybody out there cooking it up. This is my personal barber right here. I appreciate you, brother, for taking me on short notice. I texted him from India, literally. Got my man over here. Everybody's cooking up, lacing everybody up in here, man. I'm gonna pass them the camera to my man Gage's Fit Life, and he's gonna film it for us. So I hope y'all enjoyed this 2-year transformation. I'm nervous, but it's back to being a pretty boy, I guess. So let me pass this camera, and that's what we're gonna do.
Like on this side a little bit, so we can kind of comb it down.
Yeah.
And then leave. That's probably like maybe like about 4 or 5 inches on top.
Yeah, you can start with, you know, going down maybe 6, 7, and then if you want to, you're like, okay, you need to take it down, take it down.
So we're doing the comb over. We're gonna get a nice and short on the sides. Maybe not till bald, but we're gonna leave a little bit down so he can comb down a little bit. Get a nice little classic look going on. So get him back to a pretty boy, like you said.
Get him back to life.
Get him back to life.
All right, baby, let's do it. Here, you want me to pull it up for you? No, you good?
I got it.
All right.
No more long hair.
This is 2 years, bro. Like, the last time you cut my hair was 1.5 years ago, but
and then we only did a trim.
That was a trim, but the top has been going for 2 years. Yeah. So my last phase.
Yeah, we don't need trim. We barely did anything.
Yeah. I think I got my beard trimmed or something. Crazy, man.
What's going on, fellas? Where you guys waiting on?
Oh, shoot.
Huh? Carlo?
Hey, do a quick spin around, Charlie, so I can get them a before and after. So this is before, y'all.
This is it.
Yeah.
This is it. It's going down.
Yeah, we'll get you a spin around when it's over with.
I want to rock with you, dog.
I'm getting this time out of here. My boy's a love. Ahora que te vas a ser famoso, que no me saludes y nada.
Oh, you speaking Spanish? Oh, dang.
I know, I get that a lot.
All right, I see you. Charlie, gotta make it famous on YouTube, man.
Oh yeah, we want to get nice clean.
How long do you think my hair is? Like the peak, like where it's the longest? How many inches do you think I got?
You probably got like a good 13, 14 inches.
No, freaking really?
Foot, yeah. It's gotta be close to 12 inches. Yeah, it's long.
I see your hand after about 20
my
seconds.
just chilling the whip.
Let's see where you park it. Oh my god.
It's going.
Oh.
Take this bulk out first. And we'll go back in and straighten everything up.
Oh, you said I'm just gonna cut it.
Taking out the bulk first.
Okay. I hear it.
So I can see what I'm working with under here.
Holy crap. I got butterflies and junk. I feel like I'm about to go on a date or something. You know when your feet start getting a little like tingly when you get nervous.
That's how you feeling right now?
That's how I feel. Not because I don't trust you, because it's been 2 years.
Has it legit been 2 years?
Literally, bro. When I started growing the top where I was like, okay, I'm gonna have long hair, it's been 2 years, bro.
Yeah, that is kind of crazy to think of.
Yeah. What are we doing here, Charlie?
We're doing a clipper and comb. So I'm trying to keep as much bulk as I can up here, not take too much off, still going a short fade. So we're just trying to get that transition right.
Okay. I like the transition. When's the last time you did a makeover like this?
Well, it's been everybody's been quarantined.
Oh yeah,
so
you're right.
I've had a lot of long hairs lately.
Yeah, that's true. Everybody's coming in with long hair. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna feel like 20 pounds lighter, man.
I'm doing a little bit of blending with these thinning scissors, so trying to keep as much bulk as possible. Well, trying to keep as much hair as possible, but fade it in.
Okay.
So these are called thinning scissors.
So in other words, you're trying to make me look good.
Oh yeah, just fading it in.
I like that. Quite simple.
But you look man ass dude in the background. You know how we doing that, though? Yeah,
Right now I'm just trying to get most of the hair out of the way. And then we're gonna start sculpting it towards the end. Right now I'm just gonna get this as low as he wants it. And then we're gonna start blending all the stuff in so it all falls in nice.
Oh my god, can I see this in the mirror? I wanna see what this, oh my god.
Hey, you might need to stick to that look right there.
Hey, I look like a stallion. Call me, biscuit, sea biscuit.
Like a Viking.
Oh my god. That's crazy. I belong on, what's that, Game of Thrones?
Yeah.
I belong on Game of Thrones. I got a big old head too. Goodness gracious, I haven't seen it in a while. Yeah, let's leave it a little bit longer at first, just so if I want to play with it like either direction, you know what I'm saying?
So what I'm gonna take off and change it around.
Okay.
Word two.
You don't know whether to laugh or cry.
I'm gonna start off right around, like maybe around here.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I like that. We'll probably go shorter, but just so I can see it, you know what I'm saying?
That's how you. Normally I just smile and nod. I'm like, yeah. Everybody look at each other. So it's the same thing. I'm pretty sure he's lived up there by your mom. Yeah, he lives up there. That's not everything. Over there, you know. Upstairs, yeah. I live, you know, talk over there. Talk. They show up like a house.
People text me talking about that's the Nick I know with the haircut. Hey man.
Already?
Yeah. I'm like, dang.
We ain't even done yet.
People were pressed about it. No, I used to have people coming at me crazy. Cut your hair, man. I'm like, dang. Is it
For real?
Yeah. I'm like, is it affecting you that bad? You need a haircut. Oh my goodness, relax.
So tangled up.
Oh, this might be it, huh? You want to go with this look?
I almost wore my rock mask. You said something around the ears. I said, that didn't work. That almost fly. The one that's like yeah, it's like a. I'm yellow, yeah. I was gonna say,
I did it intentionally.
everybody's
but
singing it.
Charlie's like, really, man? Really? On YouTube? Charlie has the best shots. He goes above and beyond.
A little bit more blending. We got all the bulk out. Now we're just trying to blend it in. So when I do the comb over, it'll sit nice. We don't have a lot of bulk coming out of this way. We want a little bit of bulk, so his head's not flat. But we're trying to get it a little bit, you know, just get a little shape going on.
I like that.
Look like Doug Dynasty with a beard now.
I feel rejuvenated already. Oh, this is crazy, man. I feel good though. Like I can feel the brush on my scalp.
You feel the breeze already
like
in the back of your neck?
I felt the water hit my scalp. I was like, oh shoot. We're gonna knock the beard down. I was kind of looking like that guy over there. Like the raccoon? Yeah. I thought he was a bear. Okay, Mr. Raccoon Man. How's it look, man? Be honest.
Looks good.
Really? Okay. I feel good. Charlie, looks good?
Oh yeah.
All right.
It's coming together.
All right. I like the way you responded so quickly. It reassured me.
Homeless to millionaire in 20 minutes.
Dang, that's how you felt? You could have told me that earlier.
Hey.
You know, nobody says that until you make a change. Then they're like, oh yeah, homeless to millionaire.
Hey, you don't want to hurt your feelings.
All those other times you asked him if he looked good, he was lying, I guess.
I was like, is my hair straight? Yeah, you're good.
Nah, I didn't say you look good.
You said it was okay.
I told you a while back. I was like, you need to
he did
cut it.
He said, chop the head off, man.
We taking my man's beard down to like about a 5 o'clock shadow. He wants to keep it a little bit there, not all the way off. It's a little hot out here, so.
Yeah. How we looking, Gage?
Looks amazing.
Okay. Charlie, you feel the same way?
Oh yeah, wait till it's done. All right. If that's amazing.
We haven't even crossed that line yet, huh? So you fading me out at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
We're back to lights out, man. Show them my dog. Show them people, man. This is the owner right here. Doing work. I like that smile. You got my man Mandy over there working with the
You know it. You see it. You see it. Hey.
Is that a Billy Rock? Or is that a Manny Rock?
That's the mini rock.
He used to be a strong Democrat.
Playing around.
You got the straight razor. This is my favorite part. This is where you go to sleep. Good night. Crispy, ain't it? Crispy, ain't it? Woo. Goodness gracious. I don't even see it, but I know it's crispy. Oh, yes, sir. It's like a head massage with mousse. What'd you think?
Look at my upper
Very
lip.
nice.
Look at my upper lip. That's my upper lip, bro. It's sweating.
Are you cooling down?
Yes, sir.
So this is before, y'all.
This is it.
Yeah.
This is it. It's going down. Got him back.
Back to life. The man with the plan, Charlie. I love it. Thank you, brother.
No problem.
Alrighty, y'all. So getting my haircut was absolutely crazy. Like every time I see myself in a reflection, I'm like, who the heck is that guy? It reminds me of literally about 2 years ago. I feel like I look 7 years younger, like a 18, 19-year-old boy. But yeah, I'm 26. I'll be 27 in November. Got the haircut. I'm ready. I'm gonna be in Chattanooga now for a while. Getting into some business with my brother and stuff like that. So I decided to get that haircut. But anyways, shout out to my man Charlie. Shout out to my man Gage for shooting the whole thing for me. Go follow him on Instagram at Gage's Fit Life. But anyways, all in all, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at NicoTJR. Check out shopbacktolife.com. Grab you some merch, support the movement, and my Back to Life family. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
We got